445. So that you could refer, so you will understand the more about the how to measure the viscosity accordance with the ASTM D445. Okay, and manufacturer must state the nominal viscosity of each penetrant and lipophilic emulsifier. Okay, so these are the very important which manufacturer must be stated on there in the data sheet. Okay, now what is the flash point? So flash point is the temperature at which a liquid gives off enough flammable vapor that it could ignite when it in the presence of a flame. The flash point does not affect the performance of a penetrant, but it is important as a safety precaution. Flash point require have a change through a year because in a starting 1975 it was flash point was a 66 degrees centigrade, but if you see in a 1977 OSA is the known as the Occupational Safety Health Administration. These are the international body for the safety. So establish a minimum flash point is 93 degrees centigrade for flammable liquid used in open tanks without special precaution and equipment. Flash point is measured in accordance with the standard practice ASTM D93. These are the STM is the American Society Testing of Material. These are the standards which you want to see the regarding more information. You could refer a separate these STM standards, so you will know the more information about that. Okay, now storage stability. Okay, so penetrant materials are required to meet all specific requirements after 1 year period of storage in fully closed container stored in temperature between 16 degrees centigrade to 38 degrees centigrade. This confirmed by the testing sample submitted for qualification to specification requirements. Okay, temperature stability for the penetrant. Temperature stability is the requirement of a newer specification and should not be confused with the thermal stability. So temperature stability and thermal stability both are the different things. Don't get confused about the temperature stability or they are saying for the thermal stability. No, both are the different. Okay, so don't get confused. What is the temperature stability? It is the refer to the resistance to suppression of penetrant and emulsifier when exposed to temperatures outside of the recommended processing range. Detail of the stability test appear. If you want to know that, you could refer AMS 2644. The thermal stability refer to the effect temperature has on the penetrant fluorescent intensity. Okay, now it's very important now regarding for the sensitivity. Okay, but this sensitivity when used to describe a penetrant performance characteristic, sensitivity is the defined. What is the sensitivity? Is the defined as the ability to produce a visual indication from very small tight surface opening. It involves both penetrating ability and contrast with the surface background. Okay, the penetrant must enter and exert the discontinuity with the enough dye to produce a noticeable indication. This sensitivity range is the fluorescence penetrant system that is known as the type 1 are classified into a 5 sensitivity level. Okay, so sensitivity level half 1 by 2 is known as the ultra low. This sensitivity is the very low. Okay, sensitivity level 1, that sensitivity is the low. Sensitivity level 2 is the normal general. Sensitivity level 3, that is the high sensitivity, and sensitivity level 4, that is the ultra high. So highest sensitivity level of fluorescent penetrant system, that is the known as the type 1, is sensitivity level 4, that is the ultra high, and lowest sensitivity level is sensitivity level 1/2, that is the very low.